guys, my name is Alisha. Welcome to my channel. I am going to make a video on YouTube for the first time and I have so many ideas to share with you guys. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. And today I'm going to attempt the fluid art, and this was the first time I'm going to do the fluid art. So let's see how it turned out to be. Let's get to the video. So here I am using Camlin Fluid Color Pack. Camlin has launched 4 different variants of the fluid color. Here I am using the aqua one. It comes with a canvas board, 4 set of colors and an apron. Unfortunately, I dropped my apron somewhere. Before we start, firstly I'll cover my table with the bubble wrap sheet. You can cover it with any newspaper or plastic sheets. Then I'll make a stand to keep my canvas board at a certain height so that it will be easier to pour the colors. Then I'll take a paper cup and pinch it at one side to make the pouring of colors a bit easy. Now I'll start adding the colors randomly in the cup. There is no specific sequence for that. I'll randomly add the colors as per my choice. I'll take my canvas board and start pouring the mixture. I'll just rotate my canvas board so that colors can get spread out easily. I'm using my fingers to fill in the gaps. Then I'll keep it aside for drying. After drying, it looks something like this. I have used the rest of the colors from that cup to paint some of the MDF board. Artists can understand the pain of wasting colors. At the end, I'll use varnish to add extra shine and life to this painting. And this is how the final product looks like. You can hang it to the wall or keep it on the center table as a showpiece. So I hope you guys liked my video, and if you liked it, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you create this art, make sure to tag me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is @thequirkybliss. I'll meet with you again in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.